Okay, this is part 2 of the HP 2500 series unboxing. We took it out of the box and now we're going to take a look at the PC in general. Press this button to open it. So as you can see, this is a convertible tablet PC. So turn it around, swivels down. And this acts as a tablet PC either in this direction or whatever you want. You can also see in this one that has magnetic catches to hold the PC open in either position. They're usually flush with the surface of the notebook, but as you close it, the magnetic latches open up and secure into place. And then you push the button to close it again. You can see that this came with a larger battery. This is the 6 cell. You see there's not a lot of space for battery in this, and this does extend out the back. This is the version that came with, and you'll notice it does not lie flush. We can see on the side we have one USB port, Ethernet, expansion port, VGA, S-video. On the front we have a Wi-Fi slider and the power slider on the other side. We also have 3 ports, 2 headset, 1 microphone, and this is the infrared for the remote control. On this side we have the DVD burner, our expansion slot, our media card reader, power. On the back, 2 more USB and a phone jack. So I press the power button and it should be powering up for the first time. Let's see what kind of load time we have. And this is the optimized version, so at least according to Best Buy, this is faster without all the bloatware that comes installed from the HP factory. And it's up and running. And this also came with Norton on it. My first impression of the screen is that it is a little hard to read. I have seen reviews on the internet about how glossy it is. Some people say it's a problem, some people say it's not. But the contrast doesn't look that great to begin with. It probably is because I'm not looking at it straight on, but yeah, it's still pretty glossy. So that gives you kind of an idea of the startup time. And this is the first time I've touched this computer or turned it on. So this is exactly what you'd see if you took it out of the box on your own. Looks like we also have a Geek Squad dialogue open. I think this is a log of either what they did, or I don't know if this is going to come on every time. Hopefully not. We'll find out next time we turn it on. Wireless internet's on. And this comes installed with Windows Vista Ultimate 64-bit. It should be almost unloading, hopefully. And I'm going to play with a few setup options, and we'll see you back in the third part. This is part 2, and part 3 will be next.